Hey editors, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you the tutorial on 6 text effects inspired by After Effects and aftermotion Z with preset. Now let's watch the preview of first text effect, the text glow.
Target can get lucky, a bullet can miss what's important, but not with that.
Follow my steps to make the best After Effects like text glow in your aftermotion.
I just wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
This is the first type of text shadow effect, and this is the second type of text shadow effect, inspired by CXD edits.
Oh, that's
now
me,
watch
right?
the preview of this second
That's me, right?
amazing After Effects inspired text effect, for which you all are excitedly waiting for. You can get this font on my Telegram channel or my Discord server. Link is in the bio of our YouTube channel. Follow these simple steps to make it.
Listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun. Yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
It's not perfect, but I tried my best, and I hope that you all will like it. Now let's move on to the preview of the third, but last text effect for this video. I'll upload the rest, 3 text effects tutorial, in the second part of this tutorial video. Just complete the like aim and subscribe to the channel. Help me grow, and I'll upload the next part soon. Just support me in the YouTube channel with full force and wait for the amazing and unbelievable tutorials with presets. Those will come up soon according to the support and more audience that I will get. You can adjust the raise position to look like it because it may differ due to difference in your text size or font, etc. I made one more ray effect and hid it because it's for Node video. I mean, you can use this ray effect when you want to Apple Node videos glow on this text effect.
Let's go. Yeah, I said I got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit cause I think that you're running. I just do this shit cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking
done.
way. At least I'll go out with some respect to my name.
Wait for the next and last part of this video. Those 3 text effects are really very amazing, like After Effects. Complete the like aim given in description. Join my Telegram channel for the free presets, link in description and bio of our YouTube channel. You can access all of my presets from my Telegram channel or my PayHip or my Buy Me a Coffee link, where you can donate me any amount as per your own choice. You can message me directly on my Instagram if you face any problem or if you want to give me any suggestions or topics for next tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye editors. Take care.